The Austrian government has threatened to bring in new lockdown restrictions for the unvaccinated as COVID cases continue to rise. Chancellor Alexander Schallenberg said those who have not been jabbed may only be allowed to leave their homes for certain reasons. He also warned unvaccinated Austrians could be stopped from entering certain venues, and those who are vaccinated could still enjoy everyday life. Mr. Schallenberg said on Friday that if the number of COVID-19 patients in the ICU reach 500, which is 25% of the country's total ICU capacity, then only those who are vaccinated or have recovered from the virus can go to restaurants and hotels. Furthermore, if the number reaches 600, then the government will plan to impose further restrictions for unvaccinated people. It includes only allowing unvaccinated people to leave their homes for specific reasons. The number of COVID patients in Austria's ICUs is 220. The dramatic announcement came after a meeting on Friday between the Chancellor and state-level leaders to figure out how to tackle rising COVID cases in the country. Sign up for our daily newsletter to keep up to date with all the essential information at www.mirror.co.uk/email. Mr. Schallenberg said, "The pandemic is not yet in the rearview mirror. We are about to stumble into a pandemic of the unvaccinated." In the past week, the country has logged 20,408 new cases of the virus, according to health authorities. It brings the 7-day average to 228.5 per 100,000 inhabitants. A week earlier, that figure was at 152.5. The country's vaccine take-up has slowed in recent months. Only 65.4% of the population has received one dose of the vaccine and 62.2% are fully vaccinated. It comes as COVID cases in the UK are also rising. Yesterday, the UK has recorded another 39,962 COVID cases in the latest 24-hour period, while deaths have risen by 72, up by over a quarter in 7 days. It breaks a cycle of 11 consecutive days in a row where new infections remained above 40,000 across Britain amid fears of a fresh wave as winter approaches. The figures, released this afternoon by the Department of Health, see an 11% case decrease compared to last Sunday, October 17, when there were 44,985 recorded. And 57 fatalities within 28 days of a positive test, meaning a rise of 26%. It is the biggest COVID death toll for a Sunday since March 7 when there were 82. Read more. Read more.